Excitement reaches fever pitch as 88 lucky members of Binny Global are set to experience a one-of-a-kind fan event today in Quezon City, an exclusive premiere screening of the official music video for Shagidi, held at a private venue in Quezon City. The fan-exclusive event brings together hand-picked fans from the Binny Global to witness the much-anticipated visual drop ahead of its public release. The event includes not only the video premiere, but also surprise segments, freebies, and special messages from the girls of Binny themselves. Here are some glimpses of the event.
Okay, to take videos of our Shagidi music video. Okay? Tayo po yung first batch to watch our Shagidi music video. Okay, ayan. Are you ready? Yes. Yes, okay. Let's put our phones down muna.
Hoy! Mga langgal! Nagbalong! Hindi guys, kasi gender fluid lang pala. Ano siya? Di ba red school nga different pronunciation? Ano ba? Ay,
I love it. Okay,
We were with international songwriters, producers, and Angela Ken was one of those Filipinos who were invited in that camp. And then I think, yeah, she was one of the co-writers, and she gave the Filipino flavor to the song. I feel.
Yeah. And I think siguro sa recording, siguro yung nagpa-Pinoy talaga doon, which kami kasi yung kumante, kami yung nagbigay ng flavors, gano'n, kami yung nagbigay ng atake. Hindi, kasi kahit nasabihin mo na English song siya or kahit anong man language, pag Pinoy yung kumanta, tunog Pinoy pa rin siya. And siguro yung na-adopt, nag-learn din kami ng mga techniques niya kung paano kakantahin yung certain parts. So, parang give and take siya na learnings. So, it is a good experience for the both of us.
Tsaka ginaguide niya po kami sa call. Kasi syempre nasa ibang bansa siya. So, talaga kahit anong oras na sa kanila.
recording ng
Thank you.
Boses niya yun yung